In the 1990s, I was working for the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, trying to miniaturize the big cameras that were on spacecraft. And they really wanted to reduce the size by a lot. And so I came up with a new technology, the CMOS image sensor technology, or camera on a chip, as we called it, that really helped shrink the size. Then my team and I were thinking about it, thinking, well, this would be really good for planet Earth. What could you do with a tiny camera? Well, I think we all know the answer to that now. The Dartmouth PhD innovation program was created to give students some training in entrepreneurial thinking and some business skills.
The innovation program is a bridge between benchtop research and commercialization.
For students like me to not only do really high quality research, to discover new information, but also to figure out how that information can deliver value to society.
The innovation program gives us the tools to really take advantage of the business professors, of the surgeons over at DH 10 minutes away. The business school is, a 2-minute walk from here.
Since I was a kid, I've always wanted to have my own company, and I've always loved doing research. I focus on things like making materials for solar cells, but also I do machine learning modeling. So we can use that, discover a new generation of materials for solar cells. The impact I envision is you driving a car with a solar panel on top and you never ever have to charge it.
We study devices that have failed in the body, specifically knee, hip, shoulder implants, to develop these conductive polymer composite materials into smart implants that can ultimately improve patient outcomes.
My current research focus is in women's health and creating an alternative to surgical mesh for pelvic floor reconstructive surgeries. Being in the women's health space has been an incredibly eye-opening experience. I wouldn't have been able to do that without the innovation program.
The coursework we're able to take and the ability to interact with really accomplished professors and advisors through the innovation program has allowed me to think deeply about how it applies to our work in the clinic and how it can have an impact on society.
There is nothing like creating a new technology that people have not seen before and actually getting it out into the world where either it impacts people's health directly or changes their life. That is real impact when you actually touch other people's lives through your technology.